starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful, who is the King of kings, who is the Lord of lords. Assalamu alaikum, this is me, Muhammad Akil, and you are watching our YouTube channel, Muhammad Academy. Today, I'll tell you some points that how to learn a language, how to learn English, how to become a good speaker of a language, how to become a good writer of a language, how to make yourself able to write something in a language, to understand a language, to speak something in a language. Man, this is not a difficult task. This is so simple. This is possible. But you have to try. You have to max to do struggle. You have to speak with your friends. You have to make environment for yourself. Man, learning a language needs an environment. And that environment that will be made by yourself. You would make that environment for yourself. If you follow these some points, inshallah, you will be able to speak a language. And these points, I'll explain it one by one. But before this, you will follow these points. Don't hesitate. Don't shame that you are speaking wrong with your friends. Try again and again, time by time, day by day. You will be improving your skills. You will be improving your English, and a day will become you will be a good speaker. You will be a good writer of English. You will be a good speaker of any language. You will understand any language, but you would follow these points. And these points are what? Let's come toward these points. Our first point is reading. Our first point is reading. You have to read the newspapers, the magazines, the other novels. By reading these things, newspapers, magazines, you will be unable, you will be unable to learn a language. It will help you to get vocabulary, and you need to keep a dictionary with yourself, that you also know the pronunciation of that word, the parts of speech of that word. You'll get a lot of vocabulary from this reading. Read a lot of things. Novels, there are a lot of difficult words. Obviously, you will search for that in dictionary, and by searching, you will get its parts of speech, its pronunciation, and when you learn this pronunciation, it will help you in speaking a language. It will help you in writing a language. It will help you by understanding a language. So, reading is so important for learning a language, or speaking a language, or writing a language. Okay? Number second is speaking. Speaking is so important for learning a language. You have to speak with your friends, with your teachers, with your elders. Don't hesitate. Don't shame that you are speaking wrong. Man, this is not big issue. And starting, you will be totally wrong. Your grammar will be not representable. It will be wrong. But by time, inshallah, your English will be improved. And you would be unable to speak something. So speaking is so important. Do conversation with your friends. Have dialogues with your friends. And do discussion on different topics in classes and village. Do discussion with your friends, with your class fellows. So speaking is also so important for learning a language. Number third is listening. Number third point is so important for learning a language. Listening. Listening is so important. You have to listen other speaker of that language, other announcer of that language. And I think this is most essential point, and among these points, listening is so important. This is your input. When you are listening, you will get a lot of information. You will get a lot of vocabulary. You will get a lot of points about that language. So listening is so important for learning a language. Number four point is writing. Number four point is what? Writing. You have to write. You have to write a lot of writing in a day. You have to write essays, write sentences, write phrases, idioms, a lot of things you have to write. And by writing, It will help you to learn a language, to understand a language, and to write something in a language. I think by applying these 4 points, you will be able to understand a language. There are a lot of points other than this, like you know the grammars, the pronunciation. But these 4 points are so important. If you apply these 4 points in your daily basis life, you will be you will be able to understand any language, any difficult language. And listening is so important among these language. I hope you will apply these points in your life and you will be become a good speaker. I